I think we are live finally. So, quick 10-minute video. I just worked with my full analysis. I'm feeling better, so I had time to go through everything, which was nice. So, as you guys learned from the previous video, I'm bullish overall, but today we have FOMC. There are some other things coming, but earnings, PCE, but we have FOMC tonight, and I feel we took buy side, and I'm kind of just looking for, do we just sort of run lower here and then run higher? It's kind of what I'm looking for. Euro pound, I'm still remaining a little bit neutral, but yeah. And euro, similar idea. Do we come up to come down? And maybe we don't have to on pound, but similar idea there. Then I think we can run the highs, and if that happens, then obviously we're probably not really gonna see downside on the forex market, but it's obviously possible that the release of the news will decouple forex and equities a bit, but usually they tend to move the same direction on the release, so we're gonna have to get a look at that. This brings us to the alternative outcome. I forgot to mention here that we actually spike higher first, like much lower first on the release, which will significantly send the equities market higher potentially. Dollar can sort of get stuck in here, and if it gets stuck in here, we are more free to just move higher on equities. So for the Dow and for ES, I'm looking for, do we get a run into 6165 area-ish, this high specifically? And do we get that all-time high on Dow? I feel more confident that NASDAQ will fail this high. I'm gonna allow that potentially to happen. But we could come up and touch 22,100, something like that. We could do that, but I like to see NASDAQ's all-time high fail. So that's equities. So I'm just gonna leave some updated arrows here from last video. Maybe I have to zoom in for this one. Maybe not. So like this, maybe all-time high, and then do we get lower after that? That's the interesting. And of course, if we factor in the Dow as well, then might have to update this a little bit like that. Okay. Oil. And as you can see, it's more obvious what I'm expecting to happen here. I like the structure, and I don't think it's gonna be so sensitive to FOMC. So I like this trade that I took. I shared it a bit earlier, and my best entry was up here, of course, but first entry was here, so now you know as well. And Bitcoin, this just, yeah, we just have to wait. Same thing. Ethereum, like I said, looks weak. It's been doing a bit more downside, which is not too surprising. Okay. And gold, I exited my trades. I want to see what happens after FOMC. But of course, I think it's possible we're just going to chill here. And if the dollar runs lower, then if we get a bit closer to the release of FOMC, I might long this for a run higher. But for now, flat. And coffee. if you guys watched the last few videos, you guys know that I think this market is insanely bullish. And I took some positions off, and I'm holding 25% of my position for continuations higher in this market. And I think now is when we are potentially going to see some crazy big green candles. I think we have the stage for that now. We fucked around a little bit here, and now we're seeing it now essentially, but I think we are going to get very nice up moves here, and I like 400, and I'll be out there, and I'll just leave my stop loss right here at one tick above break even. Wait a second, like that, boom. Because if I leave it at one tick above break even, it won't count as a loss on my win rate. That's literally the only reason I put it one tick above. Otherwise I would put it right on break even. Sometimes I just put, you know, if I have a break even situation with like 6 executions, I put like 3 losses and 3 wins just to sort of make it fair, right? But okay, I think that pretty much covered what I wanted to cover. I'm just gonna check that. I'm just checking now that the quality is decent. Looks pretty good to me. I don't necessarily need that high quality, but I wanted the quality to be a bit better here. And check Twitch real quick. See if there's any questions, any people. Probably not. That's fine. Okay, like that. All right. I might just quickly check if I can stream on X too, so I'll try that. So I'll shut down the stream here and upload this video to the blog, and then thank you for watching. So ciao ciao.